Greetings, little ones. Ready to sing along to a fun bath song? We're kicking off with a peppy tune, sure to get your tiny toes tapping. So grab your rubber ducks and get set to make a splash. Here comes our bath song. Sing along with us. Now, we are going to sing our bath song. Follow the words on the screen. All right, little ones, let's get ready to sing. Our bath song is all about splish, splash, and splosh. It's a fun little tune that tells us how bathing keeps us fresh and clean. Ready? Here we go. Splish, splash, splosh, in the bath we wash. Scrub, 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 no more dirt to rub. Bubbles floating high like clouds in the sky. We're clean and fresh, oh my, oh my. Isn't that fun? Let's sing it again, shall we? Remember, the more we sing, the more we learn. Splish, splash, splosh, in the bath we wash. Scrub, 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 no more dirt to rub. Bubbles floating high like clouds in the sky. We're clean and fresh, oh my, oh my. That was fantastic. You've all done such a wonderful job singing along. Remember, our bath song is more than just a catchy tune. It's a reminder of how important it is to keep ourselves clean and fresh. Great singing, everyone. Let's go over what we learned from our bath song. Did you enjoy our bath song? Let's talk about what we learned. Our catchy tune taught us how bathing is a delightful part of our day, rinsing away the dirt and keeping us squeaky clean. It's not just about splashing and playing with bubbles, but also about maintaining cleanliness. It's fun and essential for our health. So next time you hop into the tub, remember our bath song. Remember, bath time is fun and important for staying clean and healthy. Until next time, keep singing and have fun in the bubbles.